Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your Redmi Note 5 Pro has a recent MIUI build and at least half battery. Changes touch system UI so you want a fallback. Once done, back up any important settings and remember your current QuickTile order. Now go straight to Settings, choose Notifications and Control Center, and tap the Control Center option. This is where you toggle the new layout on. Do this now so the phone loads the editor for the next customization steps. Once the Control Center editor is open, you'll see two areas, the main quick access row and the expanded panel. Tap Edit and drag tiles to reorder them, long press a tile to reveal advanced placement or remove actions. Add missing tiles from the bottom palette and group related toggles near the top for faster access. Make sure to test the swipe down gesture after each change so you understand how the new layout behaves versus the old notification shade. Finish by testing the new Control Center. Swipe from the top right for quick tiles and the top left for notifications, and check lock screen access. If something feels off, switch back using the same settings toggle to return to the legacy shade and then reapply edits more cautiously. If icons misbehave, reboot first. If that fails, clear the system UI app cache or data. Only consider a factory reset as the final step and make a fresh backup before doing so.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.